Frying the boys.
I didn't see this coming at all.
It's morning time.
It is Monday morning time.
It's a Monday morning time. Working on old Trailmater. So it's just got a bunch of cracks in it. The window people said they got time to put one in today. And we're pulling it out. Look at that. Window shield is out. This used to sit back here. So now we're moving it to here and here.
See, the biggest thing I feel we're going to need for the tow truck Olympics is the hammock and the sunshades.
Yeah, so after we're all done, we're just waiting on them.
And watch everyone else try to keep up.
What do you think?
Yeah, sweet. We missed that one by a lot. All right. Digging it, digging it.
Oh, my
So I'm
friend's on
thinking
fire.
rear would go there, and main would go there, because that's the one I'm going to grab the most when I'm driving. So then it's right there. All right, let's talk about something. We're going to discuss the comment section today. The biggest thing is scams. Scams, 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 scammers. If you get a comment in any of our videos that says you won something, it's a lie. After doing some research into this, I have found out that it is a $20 billion a year industry of scamming people for money in the comment section and calling and doing stuff like this. It is insane. Please do not comment, do not call them, do not contact them. I get at least 4 to 5 calls a week, messages, because we're out of service. And I get back and I get messages of people asking about these giveaways that we're doing. We are not doing any giveaways. Please, 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 we're not doing that. The scams focus on elderly people. Over 60, 65, because they don't understand tech and stuff like that. But you know, it's also the generation that made someone a millionaire in the 70s and 80s by buying pet rocks.
No, I knew about
if you're interested in a rock pecker egg,
we have got something for sale.
we've got something for you. And that is entirely a joke. We're not sending rocks to anyone.
Unless you want to give us a lot of money.
No, no. Do you understand? No.
Check it. Moving light bar today. Look at that. So it was mounted right here down top. Subscribing to the channel helps with the algorithm and all this stuff, because it basically tells YouTube this guy has interesting content and we would watch it again. That's all subscribing is saying, is that, you know, we like it, we'll watch it again. So if you could, cool. If not, I totally get it. I've been that way. I've never subscribed to channels because I always thought it cost you money. Anytime I think of subscribing, I think of like magazine subscriptions, where it's like, you know, oh, I got to pay something. I got to pay something. No, it doesn't cost you anything. It just says that you would like to see more of what we're doing.
Oh yeah, put more hands in this.
And then that leads us into safety. What we do is inherently dangerous. Doesn't take much to have an accident. But also when we're doing it, we discuss a lot. We'll talk about it and try to find the safest option to do it. And if these guys tell me, hey, this doesn't seem right, then we'll stop and we'll look at it. I don't want anybody hurt and I don't want to damage anything. You gotta get a running start at it though.
I can't. Oh, the concrete.
keep the mud off, but we've got way more tires showing now. That's another big thing in the comment section is clutch versus automatic. I prefer a clutch for the work that Trailmater does. I prefer an automatic for the work that this truck does. It's a matter of what the truck's gonna do. The clutch in Trailmater is a mechanical clutch. There is no hydraulics, no nothing. It is straight from the pedal down to the clutch lever that pushes the throwout bearing in. It's all manual. There's front wheel. I feel there's more control because you can feel in your foot the engagement and everything. I stall the JK out all the time because it's a hydraulic clutch and there's no feel there. Streamline.
So as you can see, we took the bumper off of Blue. So I'm trying not to lift this truck. I really don't want to lift it, but we keep dragging those hooks and the bumper on everything that we go into. I've been drawing something up on the table and it's gonna look just fantastic. Right, Mike?
Well, that's weird. That one's supposed to just fit. Luckily, we have another piece that needs bent, so there's plenty of room for me to screw up. So don't start thinking I did anything good. Another thing in the comments section is Robbie's truck. Things have slowed down now. Town is officially dead. We're doing some maintenance on the truck that we had to do because we had a catastrophic failure this weekend. And so we're getting some things addressed on it that we have to do. And then we are pulling Robbie's truck in next week to dive headfirst into that rat's nest. We are axing the 6x6. Like the 6x6 will be insanely cool.
Right.
But the functionality of it in this area is very, very low on the list. We are still building a diesel tow truck. We're just changing some of the things we're doing. More on that later. Why didn't I? Feel better, Mike?
Oh yes, till it becomes the Death Star.
There is some seriously insecure jackwagon that has to keep commenting about our gay flashy lights. Every single video. If you're calling them gay because they're amazing and fabulous, then yes, they are. That is so true, because they are.
All right.
Okay.
You work?
No, we may have to.
Modificado.
Tracked vehicles. No. We do not get enough snow to justify a tracked vehicle. Most everything we can get to in this area, we can get to with the truck with chains. So there's no point in having a tracked vehicle. Sorry to disappoint you, we're not getting a tracked vehicle.
Hi, Rory.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Hi, Mike.
Hey, what's happening?
Changing tires today on Trailmater?
Yeah,
Sweet.
if you can, if you want to.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Do you need some trained professionals to stick around and help you, or are you
No, we're good.
Alrighty, so here we are down at Grand Tire Pros with Jeff. This is the tire guy that you need if you are in Moab. We're gonna leave Trailmater here for the day, for a while, and they're gonna put some brand new tennis shoes on her. Because it's getting a little peaked for winter time. And then we're going to take these off and put them on the recovery trailer.
Check this out, you guys. Boom.
New windshield.
Windshield. Look at that.
No scratches, no grates, hole.
There's dust on it already. Look at that. Fresh glass, new sticker.
We appreciate all you guys watching. Thank you so much for all of that. You watch my older videos. I did not expect this to go this way. I did not think this was going to become a real thing. So you guys watching us is what's made it to where this is now what we do. We attempt to entertain you guys and rescue people.
We need you.
Yeah.
And Mountain Dew.
And Cool Ranch Doritos.
Doritos.
I knew that was coming. Anyway, like always, thanks to these guys. Thanks to you guys for watching.
Bye.
Peace. I killed that one.
Have you seen those guys do it like with ramen noodles on the internet? They fill in these cracks with ramen noodles.
We're not doing that with ramen noodles.